Hi and welcome to John's Maths Book. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a combination of the chain rule and the product rule to differentiate a function. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and I'd be delighted and honored if you would subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's go over to the whiteboard. So we want to differentiate the function y is equal to x cubed minus 4 all squared multiplied by 2x plus 5 cubed. So to do this, we need to use a combination of the product and the chain rule. So first of all, let's apply the product rule. So to do that, we can split into two functions, u equals x cubed minus 4 all squared, and v equals 2x plus 5, and that's cubed. So the product rule says dy by dx is equal to u times dv by dx plus v times du by dx. So dy by dx is equal to u, which is x cubed minus 4 all squared multiplied by dv by dx. So to work out dv by dx, we need to apply the chain rule, because we know that v is equal to 2x plus 5 cubed. So we need an inside function. So let's call the inside function g, which is equal to 2x plus 5. And we need an outside function. So v is equal to g cubed. dv by dx will now equal dv by dg multiplied by dg by dx. dv by dg is the derivative of g cubed, which is 3g squared, multiplied by dg by dx. So g is 2x plus 5, derivative of that is 2. So dv by dx is 6g squared, and if we substitute for g, we get 6. So g is 2x plus 5, and that's all squared. So that's multiplied by 6 times 2x plus 5, that's squared. So plus, so v in this case is 2x plus 5 cubed. 2x plus 5 cubed. And that's multiplied by du by dx. So if we again move over to the right hand side of the board and we say u is equal to x cubed minus 4 all squared. So again, we need to apply the chain rule here. So our inside function, let's call it h, is equal to x cubed minus 4, and u is h squared. So applying the chain rule, we have du by dx is equal to du by dh multiplied by dh by dx. Du by dh, so u is h squared, so du by dh is 2h multiplied by dh by dx. So h is equal to x cubed minus 4. So the derivative of that is 3x squared. If we now substitute for h, so h is x cubed minus 4. This is equal to 2x cubed minus 4 times 3x squared, which is 6x squared times x cubed minus 4. If we go over to the left hand side and put that in our equation, so it's multiplied by 6x squared x cubed minus 4. So we can now tidy this up a little bit and say dy by dx is equal to, so we need to factorize this expression. we can take a 6 out and an x cubed minus 4, and we can remove 2x plus 5 squared. And then we can multiply that into a bigger bracket of x cubed minus 4 plus 2x plus 5 multiplied by x squared. And that's our answer. So that concludes this video on differentiating using a combination of the product and the chain rule. See you next time. Bye for now.